Ẹ káàárọ̀ gbogbo akẹ́kọ̀ọ́, ṣe dáadáa ni. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Táíwò ló ń kí yín. Ẹ kú ọjọ́ mẹ́ta kú òpin ọ̀sẹ̀. Today we are considering àròpọ̀ àti àyọkúrò ní èdè Yorùbá. Àròpọ̀ àti àyọkúrò ní èdè Yorùbá. You know, last week we learned about numbers from 1 to 20. We learned from 1 to 20. So we learned 1 to 20 in Yoruba. That was our last topic. But for this week, we want to do addition and subtraction in Yoruba language. Some of you will be wondering, is it possible to add? That's mathematics anyways in Yoruba language. And that shows that Yoruba language can also do and allow you to add and subtract, because we can't in numbers too. So our focus for today is to enable learners to add and subtract numbers from 1 to 20. Láti 1 ọ̀kan títí dé 20 ogún. Don't forget, last topic was 1 to 20 in Yoruba language, but today we want to do the addition and subtraction. So whenever you see àròpọ̀, àròpọ̀ means addition. If they are not writing àròpọ̀, we can also call it row. So it means plus. Row means plus. Àròpọ̀ also means plus or add together. And when it is àyọkúrò, you see that we use àyọkúrò or yọ. So anytime you see yọ, what they are referring to is subtract, remove, take away, minus. Is that clear? Row, that is plus. Yọ, that is minus. Row means plus, yọ means minus. So we want to consider some example. A máa wo àwọn àpẹẹrẹ. Okay, the first example, àpẹẹrẹ àkọ́kọ́ òun ni àròpọ̀ òǹkà Yorùbá. Àròpọ̀ òǹkà Yorùbá. Má gbàgbé pé mo sọ wípé tí a bá ti rí row, kí nìyẹn túmọ̀ sí o? Ó túmọ̀ sí add. So tí question alákọ̀ọ́kọ́, ìbéèrè alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ń sọ ni pé row mẹ́jọ àti méjì papọ̀. Row mẹ́jọ àti méjì papọ̀. First, you need to know what is the meaning of row. What is the meaning of row? Row means plus, add. Excellent. So row means plus or add together. So that means this question is saying add. Let's try to add. Let me write it in English. The question is saying add mẹ́jọ àti méjì papọ̀. So you need to know what is mẹ́jọ and what is méjì. So mẹ́jọ is 8. Méjì is 2. And what is the meaning of row? That is plus. That means 8 plus 2. And 8 plus 2 will give you what? Will give you 10. And we need to write our answer in Yoruba. A gbọ́dọ̀ kọ ìdáhùn wa ní èdè Yorùbá. So mẹ́jọ, tí a bá ro mẹ́jọ àti méjì papọ̀, ìdáhùn wa yóò jẹ́ mẹ́wàá, and mẹ́wàá is 10. So 8 plus 2 is 10. Mẹ́wàá. Àpẹẹrẹ lẹ́ẹ̀kejì. Ro méjìlá àti méjì papọ̀. Ro méjìlá àti méjì papọ̀. What is the meaning of row? You need to understand the first word. Row means add. So that means we are going to add these two numbers together. So ro méjìlá àti méjì papọ̀. Kí ni méjìlá o? 12. Méjìlá wa is 12. Méjì. Kí ni méjì? 2. So this question is asking us to add 12 and 2 together. 12 plus 2. Méjìlá àti méjì. Tí a bá rò papọ̀, kí ló máa jẹ́ ìdáhùn wa? 12 plus 2 will give you 14. 14. And what is 14 ní èdè Yorùbá? Kí ni 14 ní èdè Yorùbá? Mẹ́rìnlá. Mẹ́rìnlá. O gbọ́dọ̀ kọ ìdáhùn rẹ ní èdè Yorùbá. Kó dẹ̀ gbìyànjú láti mọ ìtumọ̀ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí o fẹ́ rò papọ̀. What I'm trying to say is that you must write your final answers in Yoruba, because this is Yoruba language. But before you can do that, you need to understand the numbers you are dealing with. So here méjìlá túmọ̀ sí 12, méjì túmọ̀ sí 2, row means plus, that means 12 plus 2 equals to 14. Okay, let's go to the next example. We're going to solve this together. Ó sọ pé row mẹ́tàlá àti mẹ́rin papọ̀. Row mẹ́tàlá àti mẹ́rin papọ̀. The first step is to do what? What is the meaning of row? That is add. That means this question is telling us to add. Okay, after we have known that we are adding, what are we adding? Mẹ́tàlá, kí ni mẹ́tàlá? Mẹ́tàlá, kí ni mẹ́tàlá ní èdè English? Ní èdè òyìnbó, mẹ́tàlá is 13. 13, mẹ́tàlá. Then mẹ́rin, kí ni mẹ́rin? Mẹ́rin, kí ni mẹ́rin ní èdè òyìnbó? Mẹ́rin is 1 lókan 2 èjì 3 ẹ̀ta 4 mẹ́rin. Excellent. 4 is mẹ́rin. So and the question is saying add. That means a máa sọ pé 13 plus 4. 13 plus 4 will give you what? Someone should work that. 13 plus 4. 13, let's add 4. 14, 15, 16, 17. 13 plus 4 will give us 17. And what can is 17? Ní èdè Yorùbá o. Mẹ́tàdínlógún. 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 That is 17. So ìdáhùn wa ni mẹ́tàdínlógún. Tí a bá ro mẹ́tàlá àti mẹ́rin papọ̀, ìdáhùn wa máa jẹ́ mẹ́tàdínlógún. Àti parí nìyẹn. Another question, ro mẹ́rìndínlógún àti mẹ́ta papọ̀. Kí ni ìtumọ̀ ro? Add. Okay, then àwa wo nọ́mbà tá a máa ṣe. Mẹ́rìndínlógún, kí ni mẹ́rìndínlógún? Mẹ́rìndínlógún. Mẹ́rìndín nínú ogún, that is 16. Nọ́mbà kejì sọ pé mẹ́ta, kí ni mẹ́ta? Mẹ́ta is 3. So tá a bá ro méjèèjì papọ̀, 16 plus 3, kí ló máa jẹ́ ìdáhùn wa o? 16 plus 3 will give you 19. Kí wá ní 19 ní èdè Yorùbá? Ọ̀kàndínlógún. Ọ̀kàndínlógún. That is ọ̀kàndínlógún, 19. So that is addition in Yoruba language. Have you taken note of the row and the numbers in Yoruba? Okay, now let's go to ayokuro. Ayokuro. Whenever you hear yo, that is minus. Yo means minus. Okay, first question sọ wípé yọ mẹ́rin kúrò nínú mẹ́wàá. A máa kọ́kọ́ wò kí ni meaning yọ. They are saying subtract. Yọ túmọ̀ sí subtract or take away. So ẹ yẹ ká lo subtract. Subtract. This question is asking us to subtract. So yọ mẹ́rin kúrò nínú mẹ́wàá. Kí ni mẹ́rin? 4. Kí ni mẹ́wàá? 10. You automatically, 10 is greater than 10. That will be 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 will give you what? 6. Kí wá ní 6 ní èdè Yorùbá o? 6 jẹ́ mẹ́fà. 6 jẹ́ mẹ́fà. That means 10 minus 4 equals to 6. Mẹ́fà. Yọ méje kúrò nínú méjìlá. Yọ méje kúrò nínú méjìlá. Kí ni ìtumọ̀ yọ? That means subtract. Subtract. That means this question is asking us to subtract. Méje. What is méje? 7. Méjìlá, that's 12. That means 12 minus 5 will give us 5. And what is 5 in Yoruba? Márùn-ún. Okay, we'll do this together. Àtúbàjọ ṣe ilé ìpapọ̀ ni. Ìbéèrè aláwọ̀kọ́ sọ pé yọ méjìlá kúrò nínú ogún. Yọ méjìlá kúrò nínú ogún. Kí ni yọ? Subtract. Subtract. This question is subtraction. So méjìlá, kí ni méjìlá? Méjìlá. Méjìlá is 12. Méjìlá is 12. Kí ni nọ́mbà ìkejì? Ogún. Ogún. Kí ni ogún nínú èdè Yorùbá? Okay, ogún is 20. That means this question is saying 20 minus what? Minus 12. And what is going to be our answer? 20 minus 12 will give you 8. What is 8 in Yoruba? 8 mẹ́jọ. 8 mẹ́jọ. Okay. Now, the last question says, yọ méjì kúrò nínú mẹ́fà. Yọ méjì kúrò nínú mẹ́fà. Kí ni ìtumọ̀ yọ? That is subtract. Subtract. Yọ méjì kúrò nínú mẹ́fà. Subtract. Kí ni méjì? Ẹ ká kọ́ gbìyànjú ká translate ká túmọ̀ question wa. Méjì is 2. Mẹ́fà. Kí ni mẹ́fà o? Mẹ́fà is 6. That means the question is saying 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, and the final answer will be 4. What is 4 in Yoruba? Mẹ́rin. 4 mẹ́rin. So you can see how we've been able to solve all these questions. First of all, you need to understand what is the meaning of yọ or ro. If the question is asking you to add, that is ro. If the question is saying yọ, that is take away or subtract. Is that clear? Okay. So now you have this assessment. This assessment, you can do it inside your notebook, and I'm still going to post it on Edmodo as a quiz. So you should try to answer these 5 questions. I will still repeat this same question as your quiz for this week. Make sure you answer it. And if there's any question on addition and subtraction, yẹn ni àròpọ̀ àti àyọkúrò láti ọ̀kan dé ogún nínú èdè Yorùbá, you can get back to Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Taiwo. So if there's any question, please let me know, and I'll be glad to answer your question. All right, addition and subtraction, àròpọ̀ àti àyọkúrò ní èdè Yorùbá. Tí ìbéèrè bá wà, ẹ jẹ́ kí n mọ̀. Ó dàbọ̀.